Hey guys, what's up? My phone's storage is full, that's why I'm going to make this video. This is Soriko by Soul Beauty, the brand that I'm using now. Actually, matagal na tong product na to. Guys, sobrang bango talaga, grabe. 250 pesos, 500 ml na siya. Buy goat milk, vitamin B3, tapos may alpha-arbutin, may glutathione, plus white and repair. Yan. Pang-repair siya ng skin, tapos pampaputi. Sobrang bango niya, hindi mo na kailangan magpabango. Guys, bumili na kayo. 250 pesos lang. 500 ml na siya. Overnight repair. May ano siya, niacinamide. Overnight body lotion. Goat milk protein, tsaka coconut oil. Intensely moisturizing and whitening with nutritional benefits of goat milk for extra soft and fragile